The surprising science behind contagious yawning. Hey everyone, welcome back or welcome for the first time to Chalk Talk. Today we're tackling a question that's so contagious. Just watching this video, it might make you do it. Why do we yawn, and why is yawning so darn contagious? Let's dive into the weird and fascinating science behind it. First things first, what is a yawn? It's that deep, involuntary inhale where your mouth stretches wide, your eyes might water, and for a second, you look like a sleepy lion. Scientists used to think yawning was just about oxygen, like your body's way of saying, hey, I need more air. But guess what? It's actually a myth. Studies show yawning doesn't really boost oxygen levels. So why do we do it? The one big theory, brain cooling. Yawning might help regulate your brain's temperature by pulling in cool air. That's why we yawn more when tired out. Brain heats up from exhaustion. Another idea? It's an ancient group survival trick. Back in caveman days, if one person yawned to stay alert, the whole tribe copied it to stay sharp. Safety in numbers. And the creepiest one? Contagious yawning is linked to empathy. Studies show you're more likely to catch a yawn from someone you're close to. Even dogs yawn when their owners do. Fun yawning facts. Babies start contagious, yawning at around 4 years old when they develop social awareness. Fish yawn too. But for them, it's about gulping water over their gills. You're less likely to catch a yawn from a stranger, your brain's empathy filter at work. So next time you yawn in class or see a friend do it, remember it's not just boredom. It's your brain cooling down, an ancient survival hack, and a sign you're socially tuned in. If you found this interesting, smash that like button. Subscribe for more weird science and comment below. Did you yawn while watching this? Let's see how contagious we can make this video. Thanks for hanging out with me today. See you in the next Chalk Talk. Stay curious and keep yawning. I mean, learning.